Artsystems has partnered with online fine art marketplace Artsy to offer an integration package that is included with all Artsystem5 databases. To get started, the first step is to open the Settings Integrations panel and sign in to an existing Artsy account. An option is also available to sign up for a new account through the Artsy homepage if necessary. After enabling the Artsy integration and authorizing the API connection, open the Works module in the connected Artsystem5 database and use the List field editor to link existing A5 inventory types with the established list of Artsy medium types. The Artsy types will be populated automatically from the fixed Artsy list, and these are required for publishing on the Artsy platform. When all types have been matched, click Close to apply the changes. If managing editioned works, be sure to enable the Show Edition Masters option in the Layout menu. With the initial setup configured, artwork record data can be efficiently transferred to the Artsy CMS. To send an individual work, use the Share button on the preview pane. Or, with multiple works marked, use the Share button in the toolbar to send works. The user may be prompted to link to an existing artist entry from the Artsy CMS. The primary image for each work will always be transferred, but there is also a prompt to select additional images when present. During the transfer, text field data as well as images are pushed from the A5 database and will be automatically filled into the appropriate Artsy details fields. All data is kept confidential and transmitted using a secure connection directly to the Artsy CMS platform, where artworks should be reviewed and managed in advance of publishing. To transfer editioned works, click once on any Edition Master row in the Works module spreadsheet to open the preview pane. Then, mouse over Share and click on Send Edition. Text and image data are transferred to the Artsy CMS, as with individual works, and the edition details section will be updated automatically, including the quantity and the edition numbers in the available works field. When an artwork is sold, locate the edition master in A5. Then click Update Edition in the Share menu to update the edition set information in the Artsy CMS. The quantity and available works field will be populated with the correct numbers automatically. It is helpful to keep a worksheet in A5 where artworks listed in the Artsy CMS can be tracked once they are transferred. If any changes are made to linked works in the A5 database after the initial transfer, these adjustments can be quickly migrated to Artsy using the Update Works option, where the changes are automatically applied to the linked fields. Likewise, to remove artworks from the Artsy CMS, use the Share menu in A5, click Remove, and confirm when prompted. The simple yet powerful integration prevents double data entry and provides a seamless and secure link between the A5 database and the Artsy CMS. Please contact Artsystem support for any additional information.